Eliminex here. We're in Branchburg, and we did the bat proofing job back in January, and we were supposed to do the cleanup last month, but we got snowed in, so I'm about nearing finished with this one. I was gonna see how much I could do. I predicted 6 hours total, and we're only like in like hour 2. We're almost done. Just a lot of surface vacuuming. So this is the portable one. Then we have it venting outside, so it doesn't recirculate in the attic. And just vacuuming, dropping, just surface droppings on the insulation. Versus other companies that people usually call, will try to get like a 3-man, attic insulation removal replacement, which is just the cost is just like 4 times as much as the surface cleaning and deodorizing. And that company, they usually just pick everything up by hand. I'm not 100% sure how clean they get it, but they put the insulation back in, So instead of charging like $1,500, they're charging like $5,000, $6,000. And with this house, you couldn't do it anyways, because you got the flooring. You'd have to pull that up.